Welcome viewers. Today we are going to see how to delete a node from binary search tree. Right. Here we are having a function in Python programming. We are having two functions, delete. Then here we are using another function called find successor. We are having that two function. Right. Now you want to delete a particular node, right? So we have to start that node you want to delete using the root and followed by the node to be deleted value. So that too you have to pass as a argument while deleting that one. So you are calling that function with root and delete. Then here we are having the current node as root. Then followed by here we are having now the value of node you want to delete. Now the first case is here. Suppose the root node is null or none. Root node is none, so that there is no node at all. So that tree is empty tree. Now first you have to check whether that tree is empty. If it is empty, then here you have to you no need to do anything. So there is no possibility of deleting any node for that value. So here what it will do now, return current node. So return that root. So whatever that one, the root is returned now. The as it is that root is returned. So this is the first case. Case 1. So case 1 is this one. So here this is empty tree. Tree is empty. Empty tree. Next, here suppose here you are seeing that one. Here we are having now some nodes are there, right? Now you want to delete a node 4. Suppose you want to delete a value 4. Then here what we have to do is, first we are checking now the current node is root dot value equal to value. So here now this is root. Now root dot value equal to root. So this condition is satisfied. So now you want to delete the node 4. That node is root, right? Now what it will do now? So we are checking on the second case, right? Whether the current node left is none. So here now you see this one, the current node left is none. So nothing is there. So here left is nothing. So here this condition is satisfied as a second case. Now in that second case, what actually we have to do is, if you want to delete this node 4 you want to delete, then what actually you have to do is, you have to return the current node right as a root node. So here current node right is return. So return is assigned to root. So that one as root currently now this one. Now this node is deleted. So it will return now. So root. So this root is return now. So current node is here now at the end. So it will completing that one. Then here it will come out of that one and it will return current node. So the root is returned now. So this root is currently now. The current node is here, current node right. Current node right is now current node. So current node is this one. So current node is this one. This current node is returned and assigned to root. So now the root node is this one. This is the case. Suppose that one as we are having now the second case, right? So that case. Here the current node right is null. So here the current node right is null. Suppose the current node right is null, in that case 3, current node right is null. Then what we have to do is current node left, right? Current node left is going to have as a root. So here current node left is assigned to current node. So this one as here what we are doing now, this node is act as a root now. Then that node is isolated and deleted. So this is the case, right? So that is that case. Now suppose we are having now, this is a tree, right? If you are seeing that one, this is another tree, another case. As this is the root is currently now 8. Now you want to delete the node 4. Then what it will do now? So here this condition is not satisfied. Then here this condition value equal to current node value. So root the node to be deleted is not a root node. Then here what it will do now? It check now if the value 4 is less than that node value 8. So this condition is satisfied. Then what we have to do is current node left equal to select the current node left value. So now we have to move your current node is this one. Current node is this one. We are calling the same function. We are calling the same function is here. Recursively it is calling now with the current node of this 4. So now this condition is satisfied. And also this node is having left child as well as right child. So that case is 4. So left child is not null, right child is not null. Then we are having both childs are there. Then you have to consider the case 4. You have to consider the case 4. So now here this is the current node. The node you want to be deleted is this is the current node. This is the current node now, because we are having the current node as current node left is now current node, right? So here you see this one. This current node left, we are calling the function with current node left. So current node left is assigned to current node now. Current node left is assigned to current node, as well as here the value is 4. Now here we are calling now. So node to be deleted is current node. So this is the node to be deleted. So we are making one variable is called node to be deleted. Node to be deleted is assigned as the current node. So current node is assigned as node to be deleted. And we are introducing one more reference as parent. As initially we assume that one as null. So for this current node, you assume that one the parent is null. Actually, what we are doing now, then here you want to delete one node with the left child and right child. Then for that case, instead of deleting, now you find out the successor of 4. The successor of 4 is actually here where it will reside now, as here right side, immediate right, and then you go for leftmost. Then that node as successor. So for that we are having another function called find successor. Then find successor with we are calling the right child. So here we are having current node right. So current node is this 4. The current node right is we are calling with that one. So the current node right as here current node. Then we are having now you have to go for the leftmost. So you have to go for current node left is not equal to none. So this is current node left is something is there. So not equal to none. Then what it will do now? The parent is current node. So you take this one as parent. Take this one as parent. Then here current node equal to current node left. So this is current node. This is current node. Right? Now here now the current node. Then for this current node, now the current node left is this current node left is null. So this is we are having that leftmost. Then what we have to do is we have to copy that successor to 4, right? Instead of deleting node 4, we are copying the content to that node. So we are removing 4 and copying the content as 5 here. Then we can delete this node 5. So for that what we are doing now, so the cases here now whether the parent equal to none. So parent is something, parent is not none. Now parent is not none. So we are having that this is the parent node. Now this is the case, second case, right? 4b case. So 4b case, so case is 4b. Now what we have to do is we have to delete this node 4 or 5. So how we can delete the node to be deleted? Delete value is equal to current value. So current node is this one. This current node value is 5 is copied into here. So this is the statement. This statement is here node to be deleted dot value equal to current value. So we are making the content of 5 to copy it into here, and then we have to delete this node. So how do you delete that node? Parent dot left equal to current right. So this is suppose the current node right something is there, right? So current node right is something is there. Here actually null. So current node right is something is there. Then the right is going to make this one as connect with current parent node left. So parent node left is connect with the current node right. So that one as we are making a link. So they should not delete its child, right? So left child is null. Left child is null. The right child something is there. Then we have to make a link this one. So that one as you are going to do by this one. Now this node 5 is isolated. Now we can delete that node. We can delete that node. So this is the case. Here now how we are making that in case 4a is, now we are making the case 4a, how we are explaining now that one as, you assume that one, suppose we don't have this node. I am deleting that one. If suppose you don't have in that tree, if you don't have, now what you mean by that one as, here we are having that find successor is going to do that one with the statement, right? So here now find successor, right? So here now you assume that one, we are in the position here. So this is the current node. The parent is null, none. Parent is none, right? So parent is none. The current node is this one. Now we are calling this function current node right. Current node right is 6, and then parent is none. Now it will come to here. Now the current node left not equal to none. So here current node left. So current node is this one. The left is none. So this condition is not satisfied, right? Then what it will do now? It will return as it is, right? So current node is here. This current node is here. This one. This is the current node. This is the current node is returning now as current. The current node returning as current, but the parent is not. Parent is none only. Now this is the 4a case. Case is 4a. Now that you consider the case is actually 4a. Now the 4a cases. So here the right leftmost is not moving. Just this is the null. So what actually we have to do is, we have to make a link that one to here, and you have to delete 6, and you have to make a copy that 6 to here, right? So what we are doing now, node to be deleted value equal to node to be deleted right value. So this value 6 is going to be copied here. Value 6 is going to be copied here by this statement, and then here you take this node as temporary node. Take this node as temporary node. How it is? Temporary node equal to node to deleted right. So this node is temporary node. Then here what we have to do is node to delete right. This right is going to make a link with, instead of that one, this link is cut now. Then we are creating a link by this statement. We are creating that link, and then that 6 is isolated. Now you have to delete that 6 using delete 10. Then we can delete. So these are the all possible cases of deleting. So here using this true functionality, then here we can delete any node on the binary search tree. So you can delete any node on the binary search tree. So that's all. If you are having any doubt, you can write the doubts on the comment section. I will explain on that command itself. Thank you.